De manera que, de manera que, de manera que, de manera que. This means so that. Very similar to so that. Manera means way. You know, when you do something in a certain way. Manera, way. De means a bunch of things. De means of or from, and que means what and that. But when you have the whole phrase, it means so that. For example, acomoda bien todo de manera que todo quepa ahí. Acomoda bien todo de manera que todo quepa ahí. What does this mean? This is a long sentence, and we have todo twice as well. But you're basically explaining something. You need something in a certain way, and you're telling this person, please do this. Well, it needs por favor here, but you're telling the person, you know, do this so that everything fits in that area. Well, let me just tell you what this means so you understand it better. Arrange all well so that everything fits in there, or so everything fits in there. Same thing, same meaning, right? Acomoda bien is well, this phrase means arrange well. Todo means all, okay? Acomoda comes from the verb acomodar. Acomodar. And that one, that verb means obviously to arrange. It can mean different things in different situations, like to adapt, to adjust, to even to seat, but it depends on the situation. Acomoda bien todo is like you're asking someone to arrange everything well. So just, it's like think of Tetris, right? You want everything fitting nicely somewhere. It could be bags, it could be, I don't know, anything, toys or dishwasher. It could be a dishwasher. You could be asking someone to arrange everything well in a dishwasher. I get that a lot. My husband tells me that a lot. But yes, in Spanish, acomoda bien todo means arrange all well. De manera que, we have the phrase here. De manera que. De manera que. It sounds long, but that means so that todo, we have it here and we have it over here. And yeah, todo means all, everything, okay? Everything. Quepa. Quepa. So I like the sound of that. Quepa means to fit. When you're talking about putting things somewhere in an area, you can use that. You could be putting clothes in your luggage, right? And you want everything to fit in there. So you can use the verb caber. Caber. I know this one is a very irregular. It's an irregular verb. Caber. When you conjugate it, it can be quepa. Okay, quepa. And that quepa is conjugated in present tense, subjunctive, present tense. Yo quepa, tú quepas, él quepa, nosotros quepamos. Okay, caber. We should talk about this verb in a future lesson because caber has a very irregular conjugation, and a lot of people get it wrong when learning Spanish. But yeah, we will talk about it. We will talk about it for sure. Quepa ahí fits. Ahí in there. When you say quepa, you're already saying in something, right? Fits in something. Ahí means there. So you can use this. Well, a lot of people use this by itself. Ahí. When you want to, if you want someone to look at certain, in certain direction, you can say ahí. Ahí. There. Okay. So it's a very, very good word as well. Anyway, de manera que means so that or so. Very similar to so. But you're talking about a result, right? You are talking about, I want you to do this so that this happens. Okay? De manera que